What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna keep this short and very quick. It's a very urgent, quick update. At the moment, as you can see, I'm not streaming or recording from my PC. I'm out, but this is very urgent. Bitcoin needs to really hold this level of 30,580. I'll explain to you why. Because if we look at the wave up, we had a 1 in white and 2, 3 all the way up, and now we're going down to wave 4. This wave 3 that you see, this white line going up and 3 at the top, it will be a 5 wave up. And at the moment, the candle going down, the red candle, should not come below this previous 4th wave of the 3rd, because the 3rd wave is divided into 5 waves. So this bigger 4th shouldn't come below that. It will invalidate the move up. Bitcoin needs to hold this level. If it really wants to break up, if we're going further up, it needs to hold this level and break above my green channel over here, beyond the previous 3rd level, if we want to go up. Otherwise, if we break that, then we're definitely going down. And first area to look at is our value area high. As you can see, is at 30,586. If we lose that, then we go down to our point of control over here, and if we lose that, then we go down to value area low. So those are 2 levels you should be looking at. Actually, there are 3 levels. So if you look at this, our point of control for the entire move, 29,237. If you lose that, then there's a big chance you could be going down to 28.8. And as I've been saying before in my previous videos, the 28.8 is very critical, because if you lose that, then definitely you're coming down to see the 25 to 26k range. But if Bitcoin is able to hold this level at 30,500 and we don't break below at the moment, if you look at the volume is spiking high. This is on the 1 hour chart, and you can see the candles are very strong moves to the downside, but they could always be a reversal. Another thing you should be aware of is the DXY, that is the dollar index. It's ripping up, and that is going to be negative for Bitcoin. Whenever the DXY rips up, as you see, we've got acceptance back above the yellow line, and that's the line we needed to hold before, but we broke down, and we got support, as I was mentioning before, 101.4. We need to get support if you look at my previous videos, and we got support slightly lower at 101.3. I will take that any day. At the moment, we have support above this yellow line, which is very critical, and it seems we're going to be going higher. And if DXY continues going higher, it has a negative correlation with Bitcoin and the stock market, and the rest will go down. If you look at the S&P and the Nasdaq at the moment, the DXY volume also is volume doesn't show here for some reason on the DXY. No volume data. Okay, because it's an index. Okay, as you see, the yellow line were played as resistance over here, and now it's turned into support. We may come down, test the yellow line, and rip further up. The Dow Jones is tanking. We're down 1.3%, around minus 436. The US 100 is down 1.1%, around minus 140. And yeah, let's see if the markets bounce, then Bitcoin will bounce. The SPY is also down. The SPY is down around 5 points. So let's see what Bitcoin does. And if we go to the Fibonacci channel that I have here, and you look at where we at the moment, we got acceptance back below the channel 1.618 Fibonacci level, which has also played as resistance previously for a long time. If you look back, if I put this on the 4-hour, you will notice that we've been respecting this channel since 12th of May. We haven't gotten above it, and now we're below it again. So all in all, it's not looking that good. But if Bitcoin is able to hold this level, then there's a good chance we're going to see the 37K, and between the 34, 35, 37, no one's really sure. You hear all these numbers around YouTube. Okay, that's it for my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash the likes, subscribe.